Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Walk English, where mastering English is both simple and enjoyable. My name's Bella.
Hi, Bella, and greetings to all you amazing folks tuning in. Really happy to be here with you today. How's everything going with you?
Doing wonderfully, thanks. So thrilled to be spending this time with you. I'm really looking forward to what we're covering today.
Same here. This is going to be a really entertaining topic. But hold on, before we dive in, we've got something quick to mention to everyone listening.
Absolutely. If you're enjoying what we do here, please hit that thumbs up button. Those likes make a real difference for us.
And be sure to subscribe to Talk Walk English. That way, you won't miss any of our fresh content, and feel free to pass this along to people you know. Spread the love, right?
Exactly right. All right, then, shall we get started?
Absolutely ready. Today's discussion is all about slang and idiomatic expressions from America and Britain. Sounds like it might be tricky.
Don't worry, it's actually quite straightforward and really entertaining. Slang is basically just casual, everyday language.
Oh, I get it. Like the kind of language people use with their buddies.
Precisely. And idioms are these little expressions where the combined words create a meaning that's different from the individual parts.
Makes sense. So you're British, right? You speak UK English.
Correct. And you're American, so you use US English.
Right. And it's interesting how we sometimes have completely different terms for identical things. Can be pretty amusing.
It really can be hilarious sometimes.
How about we kick things off with something basic? Let's talk about food.
Oh, perfect. That's my favorite subject.
All right. What's a popular dish where you're from?
Well, I absolutely adore chips. Usually have them alongside fish. You know, the classic fish and chips combo.
Ah, over here, we refer to those as French fries, or just fries for short.
Fries. Yeah, I'm familiar with that term. So, what would you call what we call crisps? You know, the thin, crispy things that come in packages?
Oh, we call those chips.
Wait, so what I call chips, you call fries, and what you call chips, I call crisps.
Exactly. Pretty confusing and funny at the same time, isn't it?
Definitely is. Okay, here's another food term. What does the word biscuit mean in America?
A biscuit here is sort of soft and fluffy, kind of like a type of bread. We usually eat it with butter or sometimes pair it with chicken.
Oh, wow, that's completely different from ours. In Britain, a biscuit is sweet and crunchy. It's what you'd call a cookie.
A cookie. Yes, I love those. So your biscuit is my cookie.
Exactly, you've got it. And your biscuit is, well, I'm not entirely sure what we'd call that in British English.
We'll need to look that up. This is fascinating stuff. What about clothing items?
Great idea. All right, I typically wear trousers. What do you wear?
I wear pants.
Pants. Now, you need to be really careful using that word in the UK
Really? Why's that?
because in British English, pants actually means underwear.
Oh my goodness. Seriously? That's a huge difference. So I shouldn't go around London saying I like someone's pants?
No, definitely don't do that. People will give you some very strange looks. You'd want to say, I like your trousers instead.
Got it. I'll keep that in mind. Trousers. And what do you call a sweater? A warm top.
We call that a jumper. I've got a lovely blue jumper at home.
A jumper. That's adorable. I really like that term.
And what about athletic shoes, the kind you wear for exercise? We call them sneakers.
Sneakers. We call them trainers because you train while wearing them.
That's logical. Trainers. I like that one too.
Man, so many variations in vocabulary.
It's almost like we're speaking completely separate languages sometimes.
It really is. All right, let's move on to automobiles and transportation. This should be interesting.
Ah, yes. In Britain, we drive on the left side of the road.
And in America, we're on the right side. That's already a major difference.
A very significant one. And what do you put in your vehicle? The fuel, I mean.
We fill up with gas at the gas station.
We use petrol and go to the petrol station.
Petrol. It does sound somewhat more formal, doesn't it?
Perhaps. And those major roads where vehicles travel at high speeds,
We call that a highway or sometimes a freeway.
we call it a motorway.
Motorway. I've noticed that in films and on road signs. Okay, what about the glass at the front of the car?
We call that the windscreen.
The windscreen. We say windshield to shield you from the wind.
And we say windscreen to screen you from the wind. Pretty similar concepts.
Yes, exactly the same idea. What about the storage area at the back of the car?
That's the boot. You store your luggage in the boot.
The boot, like footwear.
Yes, but on a car. What's your term for it?
We call it a trunk, like an elephant's trunk.
A trunk. Okay, so car trunk versus car boot. So many amusing differences.
This is wonderful. I'm picking up so many new terms from you.
And I'm learning from you as well. That's fantastic. How about we tackle some idioms now?
Sure thing. Idioms. Those special expressions. You start. Give me a British one.
All right, here's a really common one. Bob's your uncle.
Bob is my uncle. I don't have any uncle named Bob. What on earth does that mean?
Bob's your uncle means, and there you go, or it's as simple as that. For instance, you slide the cake into the oven, wait half an hour, and Bob's your uncle. It's done.
Oh, I understand now. So it's like saying voila or ta-da.
Yes, perfect comparison. Ta-da captures it exactly. Bob's your uncle.
I adore that expression. Bob's your uncle. My turn now. An American idiom is to bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet? Ouch, that sounds uncomfortable. What's it mean?
It means to face something challenging that you've been avoiding. For example, I've got a major exam tomorrow, so I need to bite the bullet and pull an all-nighter studying.
Ah, I see. You have to gather your courage and just get it done.
Exactly. You just power through. Bite the bullet.
That's an excellent one. Very vivid. Okay, here's another. If I'm extremely pleased about something, I can say I'm chuffed.
Chuffed. What an unusual word. I've never encountered that before.
That's the one. Like, I received a promotion at work, I'm absolutely chuffed. It simply means really happy or satisfied.
I like that. Chuffed. It even sounds cheerful. In America, when we're really happy, we might say we're on cloud nine.
On cloud nine, that's beautiful imagery. Like you're floating among the clouds.
Exactly right. I aced my test. I'm on cloud nine.
That's lovely. I think I prefer on cloud nine to chuffed.
They're both wonderful expressions. All right, what about when something's not truthful, like a fabricated story?
Ah, if someone's spinning a tale that's not genuine, we might say it's a porky pie.
A porky pie? Like an actual pie filled with pork?
No, not at all. It's slang derived from rhyming slang. Porky rhymes with lie.
Oh, porky pie. Lie. I get it now.
That's really clever.
It is. So if your mate tells you something questionable, you could respond, "That sounds like a porky pie to me."
I'm definitely using that. In America, we'd say that's a tall tale.
A tall tale, because the story has been exaggerated beyond belief.
Yes, a story that stretches credibility.
I like that one. Very descriptive. A tall tale. Okay, one more. What do Americans say when something's extremely costly?
We say it costs an arm and a leg.
An arm and a leg? Oh my, that is expensive.
It certainly is. Like, I'd love to purchase a new vehicle, but it costs an arm and a leg.
Wow. In Britain, we might say it costs a bomb.
A bomb? That also sounds pretty dramatic and pricey.
Indeed, housing prices in London are outrageous. They cost a bomb.
Wow. It appears our idioms can be quite dramatic. Arms, legs, bombs.
They are, but they add color and personality to the language.
They absolutely do. This is so enjoyable. I feel like I'm actually visiting Britain right now.
And I feel like I'm experiencing America.
It's remarkable how we share the same language, but each add our own unique twist to it.
That's the perfect way to describe it. Unique twists.
So let's recap a few things. If I want fries in London, I should request what?
You should request chips.
Right. And if I want to compliment your trousers,
Please say trousers, definitely not pants.
trousers it is. I'll remember that. And if something's really simple to accomplish,
Then Bob's your uncle.
perfect. And if you're extremely pleased about something,
I'm chuffed. Or I'm on cloud nine.
you could use both.
I certainly could. This has been amazing. It really demonstrates to our listeners that there's no single correct version of English.
Absolutely. American English is fantastic. British English is fantastic. They just have their own characteristics.
And discovering those differences is part of the fun. It makes traveling and connecting with new people even more enriching.
I completely agree. So tell me, what's your preference? A biscuit or a cookie?
That's tough to answer. I think I enjoy a British biscuit with my tea, but I'm also a huge fan of an American chocolate chip cookie.
Very diplomatic response.
I think I appreciate both equally.
See, we can embrace both American and British culture.
We absolutely can. And we hope everyone listening enjoyed discovering these entertaining words and expressions today.
Yes, we truly do. It was delightful sharing them with all of you.
It was. And this just proves that learning English can be a genuinely fun journey.
Absolutely. And remember, it's perfectly fine if you don't know every single word. Even native speakers get mixed up sometimes.
That's completely true. The key thing is to communicate and enjoy the process.
Exactly right. Well, that's all we have time for today.
It flew by so quickly. Thank you all so much for tuning in. We had a wonderful time.
We really did, and we'd love to hear from you. Before you leave, please make sure you're subscribed to Talk Walk English.
Yes, and give this episode a like if you enjoyed learning with us today. It genuinely helps our channel expand. And please share it with anyone studying English. Sharing is the most effective way to help us reach more learners.
And we have a question for you. Down in the comments, tell us which slang term or idiom was your favorite from today. Was it Bob's your uncle or costs an arm and a leg?
Or perhaps you have a favorite slang expression from your own language. Share it with us in English. Tell us what it is and what it means. We'd be absolutely chuffed to read your responses.
We really would. Thanks once more for listening. Until we meet again, keep practicing and most importantly, have fun.
Bye for now, everyone.
Bye.